Hello there and welcome back. So as you can see in this video, I'm super excited because I found a phone that I was thinking about 3 days ago. I was thinking about the AT&T E5960 3 days ago, and today I found this guy, which is the E5960, which is the color display version of the E5960. I basically wanted the E5960 because of the nice fingers that it has, and also the OG Smiley, which this phone also produces with some other amazing pictures too. Interestingly enough, this phone came with a box, so we are going to see the box, but unfortunately it didn't come with anything else. So it didn't come with the power adapter, didn't come with any batteries. So I had the batteries luckily, and I have the adapter. It takes 7 volts, but I am using 6 volts, but it works fine. And also it's super dirty, as you can see. So we need to clean this guy. And it had some stickers here, which I peeled these off because I want to clean it and I want this to be cleaned professionally. So the stickers are in the box. And I hope that you can see at least, and this is how the box looks. It's actually big. And don't let the handset fool you because it's actually a big handset. So these are the stickers here. I kept them because they were kind of nostalgic and they were in an amazing shape. So yeah, these are the stickers here, as you can see. It basically just wrote the features in the phone. Okay. What happened? Okay, everyone. So also there's a question that I want to ask you is that from this video, from now on, would you like to see all the review videos or all the long videos in parts, like the video that I'm uploading now about my new setup? If yes, please reply in the comments. If no, you like to see the long versions, please reply in the comments. This only is for the review / initial checkout videos. Okay, so let's plug in the phone. Let's plug the phone into the line. Sorry about that. And yeah, it's a single line, 5.8 gigahertz with digital answering machine, and works like a charm. Great. And here's the antenna. So basically you can see everything. It has a base display on it and really great to use, and some amazing ringers, and that's the OG Smiley. Also Kaiko and the landline corner. How would you rate this Smiley out of 10? And you guys too, please tell me. So yeah, let's start seeing the features on the base. So as you can see, we have a lot of buttons here, and I believe that there's a model that has a base keypad, which the keypad comes here, exactly. Okay, the buttons on the base are intercom, 3 soft keys, and a clear button, which also you can use it as a back button, and a flash button, and a volume rocker, and mute and speaker, which also illuminates when you are using it. There are buttons for the answering machine, play stop and skip and repeat, and machine on and off, and delete the messages. And here's the message counter, which CL also stands for set time. And also if you're seeing the CL or the 7 segments here flickering, it's because of the frame rate of the display, which you can't detect it with the human eye, but you can detect it with the camera. So sorry about that, guys, if it's annoying you. If I zoom in, it might be fixed. Okay, so let's go into the base menu. So in the idle screen, we have it's saying that handset is charging. As we can see here, handset is charging. And if we go to menu, it has calls logs, and base settings, display, base ID, and yeah. So call log, probably we have some private calls there that we don't want to show. We have an awful sort of dust on the display. I should clean this actually. Okay, let's go to the base settings. So here we have ring your volume, which the previous owner set the ringer on this, and ring your melody, which the ringers are. And we have number announce. Amazingly enough, I think the number announce works with the answering system, as I saw in the landline corners videos. So let's turn that on because I like it, and it was on. Okay, keypad tone, that's on, and tone pulse, well, tone, obviously, language and contrast. So we don't need the contrast to be high, and the language changes to English, Spanish, and French. And if we go back to the display base ID, here we see the base ID that we can register our handsets to, which is great. So let's check out the messages on the answering system, and then let's check the settings on the answering system. So I'm sorry if the light is keeping on flickering. It's really not my fault. Okay, let's listen to the messages.
You have 6.
Let's raise the volume at first.
You have 6 old messages. Monday, 2:48 p.m.
Hi there, my name's I'm calling from Richmond Child and Youth Mental Health. I'm just trying to connect with Megan. If you can give me a call back when you get this message, that'd be great. Thanks a lot. Bye.
Saturday, 10:44 p.m.
Hi, this is Dr. Jane Allison calling from the Urgent Care Center. Just calling to let you know that your blood tests were abnormal and you should have to follow up with your family doctor, or you could come here for follow-up. And so I know we left a message a couple of days ago, but we haven't heard anything from you, so we're hoping that you did get this message. Bye.
Wednesday, 7:21 p.m.
Hello, I'm calling for from the thyroid clinic at St. Paul's Hospital. We received your referral, so I was just calling to see if we could schedule you for an appointment. Please call me back when you have a chance at 6. Thank you. Bye.
Thursday, 3:16 p.m.
Hi there, my name is I'm calling from the Child and Adolescent Program at Bowling Green. I'm trying to contact so can you please get her to give me a call back? Phone number is... Thank you.
Wednesday, 10:06 p.m. Hello, this is a message from the attendance office at your child was absent today during blocks B. Please call the school at 6 or send a note to provide an explanation. If you have already contacted the school office, you can disregard this message. Thank you. Friday, 6:57 p.m.
Hello, we are calling from Dr. Long office, eye specialist. We want to make an appointment with you to see eye specialist, Dr. Jeffrey Law. Please call back from Monday to Friday, 8 to 4. Please call back to make the appointment to see Dr. Jeffrey Law, eye specialist. Thank you.
End of messages.
Great, so these are the messages, and some of them are recorded in great quality and some of them in awful quality. Okay, let's now check the settings, or set the time first. Let's do it in order. Okay,
Monday, 12:09 a.m. 2022. To change clock, press time set.
Actually, I don't have an idea of what the time is, but today's Saturday and it's July 22nd. Okay, let's go.
Monday, 12:10 a.m. 2000. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 12 a.m. 12, 1, 2, 3, 6 a.m. 11, 7 p.m. 8 p.m.
Oh yeah, it was 7 p.m.
12, 9 a.m. 10 p.m. 5 a.m. 6, 7, 8, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 p.m.
Great, finally. Okay.
10,
10, 50,
10, 11, 30, 46, 48, 40, 50.
great. And
2022, 2022, 2023.
great.
Saturday, 7:50 p.m. 2023.
Great. So let's listen to the menu.
Change announcement.
Let's listen to the announcement.
Hello, please leave a message after the tone.
I love this voice.
Change announcement. Change remote access code. Change message alert. Change announce only. Change call screening. Change number of rings. Change announcement.
Let's record an announcement. Okay, press record.
Now recording.
This is a screening for a test call. Please leave a message after the tone. If you do not, I will specially call you back. Goodbye. This is a screening for a test call. Please. I guess we always have bloopers in our videos, so the stupid camera went out of battery and it turned off, unfortunately. Okay, I deleted the announcement and I set the number of rings to 4. Now I've also recorded a memo message to test, and let's see how that goes.
You have Saturday, 7:52 p.m.
This is a testing message, and let's see how this phone sounds.
End of messages.
It sounds great. Now it's the time to go on the handset and check out the preset settings here. So let me zoom out and zoom in. Yeah, hold it like that. Okay, this is the main screen and this is how it looks. These are the keys. 2 soft keys and a navigation key, and on and off, and numbers, speaker, and sound select. Okay, so to access the menu, you gotta press the center key. Then you have settings such as intercom, directory, call log, and pictures, and ring sounds and alerts. Yeah, I can't really read from this angle. And settings. Okay, so let's start with intercomming the base. You can also press the unit that you want or global page. When you usually call base, it usually automatically answers, so we don't want that. We just want to do a global page and see how the ringer sounds. And from the base to the handset, when you call a unit from the base, it usually doesn't automatically answer, so that's a good thing. But we are also going to perform a global page. So for those who don't know, the vibrating sound that you hear is actually a vibrator in this phone, because this phone has a vibrator device, which is amazing. Okay, if we go to the directory, which we can't, there are some private numbers. Let me just see. Yep, there are numbers, so there are no settings for the directory, unfortunately. And calls logs. Okay, here we can review messages. We have remote access. That's amazing. Okay, review messages and review caller ID log, clear the log and review redial, and clear redial. Let me see what the review messages do.
You have 7 old messages. Monday.
Wait, let me see if numbers come up.
Hi there, my name's Laura. I'm calling from Richmond Child and Youth Mental Health.
Saturday, 10. Wednesday, 7:21.
Amazing. So this also has remote access. I'm so proud of this phone. Okay, so then here we go to the pictures, and in the pictures we have some images, which are these images. Has a lot of images and they're amazing. So here we have also emotions, which is my favorite. I use the Smiley. The Smiley is the iconic E5960 series, which this one is the 5960. But yeah, it also counts as a E5900. And here we have a lot of emotions, as you can see. Interesting. And clear wallpaper, so you have basically nothing on your screen. And let's go to the sounds and alerts. So here we have a lot of options, which are vibrate, which is on, and ringer control, which this is the ringer volume, and that's the ringer, which could go on and off. Great. So here is the ringers, and we're going to listen to. Let's go from the first. Wait, it's saved automatically, unfortunately. Yeah, so the Beethoven number 5 sounds like the one on the Panasonic TCD 500 series, which is amazing. Okay, let's go to the next one. Sorry about that, freak show right there. And I got tricked, unfortunately. I got tricked. I thought it was the end. It's not. Okay, let's do it again. Sorry about that, guys. Why it keeps saving it? I don't want to save. Okay. Interesting thing is that it plays the ringers completely, which is amazing. The songs are played completely in complete versions, not in modified versions, and I like it. Okay, let's go to jazz. Amazing. It has a decent amount of ringers to it. Now I'm listening to it completely. I'm impressed. Okay. Why it keeps saving? This is so annoying at this time. Wow, freak show over freak show. Okay, the camera stopped recording again for some reason. And yeah, I was talking about this when I get used to working with it, so I know when I'm skipping the ringer. Okay, let's zoom in more. And where are we? Here. Okay, I guess this is the end of the ringers, and here we have a low battery tone, I believe, and that's going to be on because it's useful. And here, down here, it's the keypad tone, which is on. And finally, here is the range tone, which should be on. It's useful. Great. So that's the end of the sounds and alert setting. And in settings, we have appearance, which is blue, green, tan, and rose, which blue is my favorite. It's the friendliest one. And set time, well, what time is it? Let me check. Okay, 8:07, I believe. Wait a sec, let me see if I can. 8:10, which is PM. And what's that? Oh yeah, clock display on. I got it. And next one is contrast, which I put the contrast on the highest level possible because the lowest levels you can't really see anything, so the highest level you actually can see something. And here, phone setup, you have register and tone pulse. So yeah, it's on tone. We checked on the bass. And here's the language, which has a lip symbol on it. And we have the 3 languages, French and English and Spanish. And on here we have reset settings, which I want to reset the settings, so here we go. We just used the create directory and default settings. And yep, I'm so sure. And default settings after that, super sure. Done. So this is set to the default settings, and now we're gonna change some of the settings because the contrast again is back to normal, and it shouldn't because I can't really see anything. So yeah, this is it. And what about the ringers? Let me set the ringer. Yeah, I really like the jazz ringer, as also the landline corner has that ringer, and also the previous owner had this ringer on it, and it's amazing. It's one of the ringers that you want to dance with. Great. So yes, that's it. Let me turn on all the advisory tones. What is this? Yeah, keypad tone is on, and range tone. Yeah, it's basically great. The wallpaper is AT&T. Well, I don't want that. I want the Smiley, the special Smiley, like the Nokia 3310, which you go in the emotions, and it's right there smiling at you. Okay. Yeah. So let's see if the line is connected. It's saying the extension is in use, which I don't remember that the extension was in use, but sure. Let's check the line. Okay. So let's give this guy a buzz, and let's delete the messages because we don't need them. I think you need to hold that.
All old messages deleted.
Yep. So I'm going to close the closet for a better audio quality, and also turn the answering system off.
Machine off.
So you can also hear it ring a complete cycle, and after that we will record a message.
Private caller. Please enter your remote access code.
Yeah, I'm not gonna enter my own access code, obviously, and I forgot to change the base ringer because I don't like that ringer a lot. My favorite ringer is here. It's this one. This one at number 2. Yeah. Everyone likes the number 2 because it's actually a decent ringer. Okay, let's now record the
Machine
message.
on.
Alright, see y'all.
Private caller. leave a message after the tone.
Hi, this is a testing message from an outside call on the answering system of the AT&T E5960C.
Let's see if it hangs up. It did. Now let's play back the message.
You have one new message. Saturday, 8:15 p.m.
Hi, this is a testing message from an outside call on the answering system of the AT&T E5960C.
End of messages.
Great.
All old messages deleted.
Okay. Yeah. I wanted to play the message on the handset, which I found out I already deleted it. Maybe I'm not really used to these phones having message playback on the handset. I never seen any 5.8 gigahertz of AT&T using this software, especially use or have any connection to with the base. Because if you see, I think the handset will mention that the answering machine picked up the call, because I wasn't here, I didn't see. But yeah, I think the handset will mention that the answering machine picked up the call. So yeah, I probably did that. But none of the other phones using this software have such a good connection with the base. That's really interesting. Well, yeah, let's now do a test call and test the transmitting stuff and see how it works. Okay, let me mute the microphone on this one, and let me see if I can hear anything. Here's the volume. Test, test, test. Yeah, it works. Okay. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Works fine. It works fine. It works fine. Yes, it does. Now speaker test. Testing, testing. Testing, testing.
1, 2, 3.
Amazing. Speaker quality on this one is amazing. Okay. Testing,
1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3.
Now the bass.
Bass. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Probably the bass should have a better quality than the handset because it's the main unit. But yeah. Okay.
So
Did we miss anything else? Yeah. Transmitting.
Oops. Okay. Now on this one, let's see how it transmits the bass. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Wait, let me see. Testing. Test. Yeah, it works now. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it comes. Now on the handset. Okay. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing. Wait, let me. Testing. Wait, does it work? Yeah. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Now on the speakerphone for the bass. Okay. Yeah. Which microphone should I mute? I'm gonna mute it. No, they are not. Okay, here. No feedback feature, please. Hello. Test. Okay, works fine. Now, I hope you're hearing me. Let me close the closet for less feedback.
Hello. So, now we are testing, and it seems it's transmitting the sound really well, as you can see. Now I'm going to change the mode into speakerphone mode and see how the noise cancelling stuff works. So, testing, 1, 2, 3. Now it's on speaker. This is a normal space that I have with the phone on speaker mode. And this is the phone while I'm working on the desk, and it has a longer distance. Testing, 1, 2, 3. And yeah, kind of works. Great. So this phone passes the test.
Great. So this guy passes the test. And now let's dial a number and see how it dials. So the base doesn't have any keypad, so in order to have a keypad for the base, you first gotta dial the number on the handset.
M&T Bank thanks you for your call. Good evening. Today is Saturday, July 22nd. 11:20. Current temperature 71 degrees. Clear sky through Sunday. Highs low to mid-80s. Low tonight 68. The weather phone is another community service of M&T Bank, member FDIC, an equal housing lender.
Great. So it works fine. Now on the handset. Earpiece first, and let's try to redial. Where is it? Okay. If we go here, yep, we should have it here.
M&T Bank thanks you for your call. Good evening. Today is Saturday, July 2nd. 11:21. Current temperature 71 degrees. Clear sky through Sunday. Highs low to mid-80s. Low tonight 68. The weather phone.
It should automatically end the call, but it works amazingly fine. And I actually love this telephone because it has all the features that I need, and also I was thinking about this phone. I never believed I could find it, and I'm so excited about it. Alright everyone, this is the end of this video, and thank you all for watching, supporting, liking, and subscribing. Have a nice day, and goodbye.